In this video, I will show you how to export in the best quality using Canva. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. Once you are ready to download your project, go to Share in the top right corner, select Download. If this is a video, MP4, PNG or JPG, you want to select the correct one. So we are going to use PNG. You then want to go to Size, and if you drag this to the right, it will download in the highest quality possible. And if you drag it to the left, it will obviously reduce the quality. So once you have selected the highest possible quality, you then want to tap Download. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.